Another type we are going to see parameter with type. Here this example we already discussed and I have run and show you the output also. So now the same algorithm only given, here only else part change. It's a typing error, else a into power a to the power b minus 1, not a into power b to the power a minus 1. Change that ma. Here you see in each variable mentioning what kind of data type it is. Previous example we have seen that they have not mentioned any data type. So that is called parameter with type. But here each and every variable they are mentioning the data type. So this is called parameter with type. So if they are not mentioning data type means it's called parameter with type. If they are mentioning data type in variable is called parameter with type. Here again same algorithm only given and here parentheses are mandatory. So now go through this paragraph, what we have seen that only explained here. When we write the type annotations for A and B, the parentheses are mandatory. Generally, we can leave out these annotations because it's simpler to let the compiler infer them. There are times we may want to explicitly write down types. This is very useful on time when you get a type error from the compiler that doesn't make sense. Explicitly annotating the type can help with debugging such as error message. So what they are saying is when you are using data type means for us easy to make the debugging and all. We can easily find out the error and we can get the output. And next paragraph, the syntax to define function is close to the mathematical usage. The definition is introduced by the keyword let followed by the name of the function and its arguments. Then the formula that computes the image of the argument is written after an equal to symbol. If you want to define a recursive function, use let instead of let. So this we have already discussed. I have already explained function definition. Let means initially we will declare using the function definition. REC means recursive function. Fn means function name. A1 and an A2 are the parameters used here, and equal to after equal to k, that is called the statement. After equal to symbol what have we have said, statement will come. So statements are used here. Here the fn is a variable indicating the identifier being used as a function name. The names a1 and an are the variables indicating the identifiers used as parameters. The keyword rec is required if fn is to be a recursive function, otherwise it may be omitted. And here note important one more question, a function definition which is called itself is called recursive function.